Voting for the high-stakes assembly elections in Assam, Kerala and Puducherry has begun today. While the BJP is seeking another victory in Assam, Kerala's left front is aiming for a fifth consecutive term. In Puducherry, N. Rangaswamy's AINRC is targeting a fourth win. According to Election Commission figures, Assam recorded a voter turnout of 84.42% till 5 pm. Puducherry reported a turnout of 86.92% till 5 pm. Kerala witnessed a voter turnout of 75.01% till 5 pm, slightly higher than the turnout during the last assembly elections in 2021. Polling for all 140 assembly seats in Kerala concluded at 6 pm, but voters still in queues were allowed to cast their votes after receiving tokens. This phase of voting covers 126 seats in Assam, 140 seats in Kerala and 30 seats in Puducherry. The results for these elections are scheduled to be declared on May 4, 2026.